chapter is subtraction. Now page number 50. Dear students, all of you open math textbook, page number 50. Do this. We have finished in this page A and B. Now problem is number is C. 517 minus 289. 517 minus 289. Here 517 is 89. Then subtraction is exist. 517 is greater than 289. Then subtraction is exist. Now write the place values 1, 10 and 100. Now subtracting on 1. Here the digits 7 and 9 in one place. 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9. It means 9 is subtracting from 7. Here 9 is greater than 7. Subtraction happens from bigger number to small number. Here 9 is bigger than 7. Then we cannot take 9. We cannot take 9 from 7. In this time we need borrow. Borrow means 1 10 is equal 10 1 means 1 10 is equal to 10 1. We need borrow. We use borrow from beside number of 7. Borrow means 1 10 is equal to 10 1. 10 1 already 7 1. 10 1 and 7 1. Total 17 1. Means this is now 17. From 1, we taken 1 as borrow. 1 minus 1, 0. Means this is 0. Now subtracting 17 and 9. Means 17 minus 9. From 17, we subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. From 17, we cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After cutting 9 lines, how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. This 8, this is answer right in one place. Next, subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. The digits are in tens place 0 and 8. 0 minus 8. Actually, 8 is not take from 0. We cannot take 8 from 0. Why? Where 8 is bigger than 0. Subtraction is not exist. Smaller number to big number here. Subtraction bigger number to small number. Then we need borrow. Take borrow from beside number. Now 1. 1 0 means 10. It means borrow means 1 10 is equal to 10 1. 10 1 and 0. 10 1 and already 0 is there. 0. 10 plus 0. 10 only. And from 5, we taken 1 as borrow. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. This is a 4. Now subtracting 10 and 8. 8 is subtracting from 10. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8, 2. This answer 2 right under 10. Now subtracting 100. Subtracting 100. The digits are 4 and 2 in 100 place. 4 minus 2. It means 2 subtracting from 4. 2 subtracting from 4. 4 minus 2, 2. How there are 4 lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4, we cut or we remove 2 lines. 1, 2. After cutting 2 lines, there are 1 and 2 lines. 2. This answer 2 right under 100. 557 minus 289 is equal to 228. This is the solution for C. This is the answer for C. Now D1. Now question D. 300 minus 129. 300 minus 129. Here 300 is greater than 129. This is a bigger. Here bigger number minus smaller number. Then subtraction is exist. First we write the place value 1, 10 and 100. Now subtracting on 1. See the digits are in one place 0 and 9. 0 minus 9. It means 9 subtracting from 0. But we cannot take 9 from 0. We cannot take 9 from 0. Why? 9 is bigger than the 0. In this time we need borrow. Borrow means 110 is equal 10 ones. We need borrow from beside number of 0. Means 110 is equal to 110 is equal to 10 ones. Already 0 is there. 0. 10 plus 0. 10 only. 10 plus 0. 10 only. Now 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9. 1. 10 minus 9. 1. This answer 1 right under 1 here. Now subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. In 10, the digits are 0 and 2. From 0 already we taken borrow. Here 0 and 2. Here 0 and 2. 0 minus 2. We cannot take 2 from 0. Again we need borrow from beside number. Actually 10. 1, 0, 10. Already from this 10 we taken borrow. Here 9. Already 1 went outside as borrow. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 equal to 9. This is a 9. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9, we subtract 2. Means we cut 2 lines. 1, 2. After cutting 2 lines, the lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. This 7 right under 10. And here from 3, we taken 1 as borrow. Now 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is, this is 2. Now subtracting on 100. Subtracting on 100. The digits are in 100 place 2 and 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1. This answer 1 right under 100. 2 minus 1. 1. 300 minus 129 is equal 171. This is the answer for E1. Question E. 161 minus 47 minus 47. See here 161 is greater than 47. A bigger number minus small number. Then subtraction is exists. Right? The value is 1, 10 and 100. Now subtraction on 1. And the digit 197 in one's place. 1, 7. 1 minus 7. Here we cannot take 7 from 1. 7 is bigger than 1. Subtraction happening from bigger number to small number. Here small to big. In this time we need borrow. Taking borrow from this number of 1. Taking borrow, that is 1. From 6, 1 is going outside as borrow. Borrow 1 time is equal to 10 ones. 10 1 already 1 is there. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 11. This is 11. From 6, 1 is going as borrow. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 5. This is the 5. Now subtraction 11 and 7. 11 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. From 11 we cut 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After cutting 7 lines from 11, there are 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. This answer 4 right under one's place. 4. Now subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. The digits are in 10th place 5, 4. Means 5 minus 4. 4 subtracting from 5. Yes. A bigger number minus small number. It is possible. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. This answer 1 right in 10th place. Five minus 4 is equal to 1. Next, subtracting on 100. Subtracting on 100. In 100, only 1 is there. There is no number here. Means 1 only. 1. Actually, there is no number. You put 0, there is no problem. Only 1 should write 1 directly. 1. 161 minus 47 is equal to 114. This is the solution for E. Now F1. F1. 253 minus 125. 253 minus 125. Here 253 is greater than 125. And subtraction from bigger number to smaller number. Then subtraction is exist here. Now write place values of numbers 1, 10 and 100. Now subtracting on 1. The digits are in ones place 3 and 5. It means 3 minus 5 means 5 is subtracting from 3. But 5 is bigger than 3. We cannot take 5 from 3. In this time we need borrow. We taking borrow from this number of 3. Borrow. Borrow means 110 is equal to 10 1. 110 is the borrow 110 and other 3 is the 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 13. And from 5, 10, 1 is went outside and borrow 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now subtraction 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. From 13, we remove 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After removing 5 lines from 13, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. 13 minus 5, 8. This answer 8 right in one place. 8. Now subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. In 10 the digits are 4 and 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means 2 is subtracting from 4. Here bigger number minus small number. Then subtraction exists, right? 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 we have to remove 2 lines or we cut 2 lines, 1 and 2. After cutting 2 lines, there are 2. 1, 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. This answer 2 right in 10th place. Now finally subtracting on 100. In 100 place, the digits are 2 and 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Here 1 is subtracting the bigger number minus small number. Then subtraction is exists. 2 minus 1. 1, 2. From 2 we cut only one line. After cutting one line, there is only one line. 2 minus 1, 1. This answer 1 write in 100 place. 2 minus 1, 1. 253 minus 125 is equal to 128. This is the answer for X1. Now we are going to learn statement problems, that is page number 46. Dear student, all of you open maths textbook. Page number is 46. Page number 46. Try this. Try this. Question number 1. Dear students, these are statement problems. We write statement along with solution. See, question number 1. Rani has rupees 342. Rani has rupees 342. Akhil has rupees 125 less than Rani. Less than Rani. How much money does he have? How much money Akhil have? Yes, this is a statement problem from page number 46, question number 1, and try this one. Here, Rani has 342. Akhil has rupees 125 less than the Rani. Here clearly mentioned Rani has more money than Akhil. Yes, Rani, amount Rani is 342. And Akhil, amount with Akhil, 125. Here Rani has more money. But in question, Akhil has 125 less than Rani. They're comparing. Akhil has rupees 125 less than Rani. How much money Akhil has? See, first of all, Rani amount is 342. Akhil has 125 less means few money. How much? 125. We are comparing Rani amount and Akhil amount. We don't know what is the amount with Akhil present now. We subtracting 125 from 342. We get answer, that is Akhil amount. First of all, Rani amount is 342. Akhil has 125 less. Less means subtraction, means comparing these two amounts, 342 and 125. Actually, 342 amount is bigger than 125. Then subtraction is exist. Here 2 minus 5, 4 minus 2 and 3 minus 1, we get answer. This answer is Akhil amount. Question, I read the solution. Rani amount or Rani's money. Rani's money 342. Less money with Akhil. Sorry, Akhila. Less money with Akhila. How much less? 125. They're asking how much money Akhil has. Means Akhil or Akhil has money. They're less 342 less 125. Less means subtraction. Now write the place value is 1, 10, 100. Now subtraction on 1. The digits are in one place, 2 and 5. It means 2 minus 5. Here 5 is greater than 2. We cannot take 2, we cannot take 5 from 2. In this time we need borrow. We take borrow from this number of 2. Borrow 110 is equal to 10 1. In 1, always 2 are there. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. From 4, we take an 110. 4 minus 1, 3. Now subtracting 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 12, we remove 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After cutting 5 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12 minus 5, 7. This 7 right in 1's place. Now subtracting on 10. The digits are in 10's place. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. This answer 1 right in 10's place. Now subtracting on 100. Subtracting on 100, the digits are in 100's place. 3 and 1. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. This is answer 2 right in 100 place. 2. Now, answer is 217. 217 means Akila's money. Here, total money Rani is 342. Less money with Akila. Akila amount is 125 lesser than 342. Here lesson means decreasing. Decreasing means subtracting. From 342, we remove 125, we get 217. This is the amount with Akila's money. This is a solution for question number 1, that is in page number 46. Dear students, there are three more problems are there. These are also statement problems. In this problem, we write statement along with solution. In our next class, we will learn remaining these 3 problems. Okay, Shane? Good day to everyone.